Have you ever wondered if there's a way to cash in on your options before they expire without taking the risk of holding onto them until the very end? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of options selling on Robinhood and explore the strategies you can use to close out your positions early and potentially maximize your profits. Options trading can be a complex and exciting way to invest, but it's important to understand the risks involved. One of the biggest challenges for new options traders is knowing when to exit a position. If you hold onto an option until its expiration date, you'll either be assigned the underlying asset, if you're long a call, or have the option expire worthless, if you're long a put. But what if there's a way to sell your options before expiration and potentially lock in profits or minimize losses? That's where option selling comes into play. By selling your options back to the market before their expiration date, you can effectively close out your position and realize any gains or losses. Understanding option selling. Before we dive into specific strategies, let's quickly review the basics of option selling. When you sell an option, you're essentially agreeing to buy or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price and time. If the option expires out of the money, you keep the premium you received when you sold it. However, if the option expires in the money, you'll be obligated to buy or sell the underlying asset at the strike price, regardless of the current market price. Strategy 1. Selling to cover. One common strategy for selling options before expiration is to sell to cover. This involves selling an option that you already own. For example, if you bought a call option at a strike price of $50, you could sell to cover by selling another call option with the same strike price and expiration date. By selling to cover, you're essentially closing out your position and locking in your profit or loss. Strategy 2. Selling for a profit. If your option is trading at a premium above your purchase price, you may want to consider selling for a profit. This means selling your option before expiration to realize the gain. However, it's important to be mindful of the time value of the option, which tends to decrease as the expiration date approaches. If you wait too long to sell, you may miss out on potential profits. Strategy 3. Selling to minimize losses. If your option is trading at a discount to your purchase price, you may want to consider selling to minimize your losses. This means selling your option before expiration to limit your potential losses. However, it's important to weigh the potential downside of selling early against the risk of holding onto the option and hoping for a recovery. Factors to consider. When deciding whether to sell an option before expiration, there are several factors to consider. Time value. The time value of an option decreases as the expiration date approaches. This means that options tend to lose value over time, even if the underlying asset price remains unchanged. Implied volatility. Implied volatility is a measure of the market's expectation of future price fluctuations. If implied volatility is high, options tend to be more expensive. Conversely, if implied volatility is low, options tend to be less expensive. Underlying asset price. The price of the underlying asset can have a significant impact on the value of an option. If the underlying asset price moves in your favor, your option will likely increase in value. However, if the underlying asset price moves against you, your option will likely decrease in value. Additional tips. Set stop-loss orders. Consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your profits or limit your losses. Use option spread strategies. Option spread strategies can help you reduce your risk and potentially increase your returns. Stay informed. Stay up to date on market news and events that could affect the value of your options. Selling options before expiration can be a powerful tool for managing risk and potentially maximizing your returns. By understanding the different strategies and factors to consider, you can make informed decisions about when to close out your positions. Remember, options trading can be risky, and it's important to do your own research and develop a solid trading plan. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about options trading, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy trading.